It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 11th of August. I'm Michael Groff. The monsoon rolls on here across the southwest, and through the forecast, there will be periods of time in which we have enhanced shower and thunderstorm coverage and intensity. So that means a few strong or severe storms will be possible from time to time, along with that ever-present potential of heavy rain and flash flooding. All right, let's get into it here. Taking a look at the almanac from yesterday, 104 degrees the afternoon high, 84 was the morning low, and that's pretty much right on par with those climatological normals of 105 and 84. No rain officially at Sky Harbor. A few of you out in the West Valley saw some storms yesterday afternoon and evening. As we look outside right now at 8:05 a.m., partly cloudy sky here in Phoenix, and we're sitting at 86 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point way up at 67, relative humidity 53%. The winds are light, and the barometer 30.01 inches and rising. This is the upper air weather pattern across the country. It's a fairly typical summertime look, albeit one that has not changed much at all. The westerlies are way up to the north. Our subtropical or monsoon ridge continues to sit across the Rockies and the Plain States, and that's a favorable position to bring east-southeasterly flow and plenty of monsoon moisture into the southwest. And from time to time, disturbances or easterly waves rotate around that ridge into the region, and that's what helps to give us an enhanced chance of showers and storms. And one such disturbance will come in here by tomorrow night and Saturday. The watch warning map, we have flood watches off to the north and west of us over the Mojave Desert and the Northwest Plateau. And the convective outlook, a marginal risk of severe storms over parts of Oregon, Washington, and Idaho. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, thunderstorms possible. And while we don't anticipate organized severe weather, any one storm can put down some strong, gusty, maybe damaging winds and hail. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix around 1 inch, give or take. We could see 2 to 3 inches possible up north for the Northwest Plateau, the Rim Country, Eastern Mountains, and down to the south. So an active pattern will continue for a while. We'll talk about why and where and how that is as we take a look at the models, see what the future may hold. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, and this is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. The main players on the board feature high pressure again off to the north and east of us. There's that upper low just off the Pacific Northwest coast, and that's giving rise to those stronger storms up that way. Now for us down at the surface today, some clouds this morning, then mostly sunny this afternoon. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms will develop. The atmospheric profile today just doesn't favor any real widespread storm coverage, much as we've seen the last couple of days, kind of a capping inversion. So storms are possible, but most of us probably won't see them. Those of you that do, though, yeah, you could see some locally heavy rain and gusty winds. And high temperatures today, 100 to 104. Same story for tonight. Widely scattered storms possible. Overnight lows, upper 70s to mid 80s. And then tomorrow, global models coming into good agreement that we will see a more significant easterly wave approaching us. But for the day, partly cloudy here in Phoenix, an isolated shower or storm possible in the morning. Then scattered showers and thunderstorms developing over the higher terrain tomorrow afternoon. High temperatures 100 to 104. And the storms should become more numerous by Friday night. And for the day on Saturday, this could be an active day for us with numerous showers and storms around. Temperatures should head down a couple of degrees. We may see a piece of energy or a little upper low develop off the northern Baja coast at this time over the weekend. That remains to be seen, but it does appear that active weather will be with us through the weekend. And high temperatures for Saturday and Sunday should be in the mid-90s to around 100. And then we continue with a fairly ramped-up monsoon forecast as we go into next week. Now, synoptically speaking, the pattern changes a little bit. We show a trough developing along the central and southern California coast, and that may give rise to slightly stronger winds aloft, better wind shear, and that could shift the threat back towards stronger storms for the first half of next week in the afternoon and evening hours, but that remains to be seen. We'll watch for that, though, and high temperatures for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, staying somewhere in the mid-90s to around 100. So a little bit below average, but with that chance of rain continuing a little bit above average. Then as we move to a week from today, this is Thursday the 18th, the ridge of high pressure shifts a little further to the west across the Great Basin and Pacific Northwest. The flow is out of the east or northeast during this time. So the overall pattern doesn't change all that much from our perspective here. Scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms will continue, and high temperatures will remain right around or just below average. Then as we take a look out 10 days, this is Saturday the 20th. And again, high pressure sits to the north of us. and sort of a chaotic flow pattern might set up if that's right. But overall, we don't see any signs or major indications of change. Still scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms, high temperatures remaining around or just below normal. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix going out through the 25th of August, coming off of the European ensemble, the mean is still around 2 inches. The control member up around 3 inches. And some of our individual members show some pretty ridiculous rainfall totals. But the thing to remember here is that we're just looking at trends, and the trend is that active weather will continue through mid and even into latter August. And temperatures off of the national blend of models. Again, we're staying at or below average for our afternoon highs on most days for quite a while. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is back here tomorrow morning. And if you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, suggestions. Music fans, it is there 24/7, 365, talking about that streaming station. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music, have a lot of fun while doing that. Myself and the one and only Michelle. Yes, we put all of our time and effort into that station. It is a labor of love, and it's there just for you. So do check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the description. All right, thank you so much for watching, all of your continued support. It is greatly appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves a beautiful Thursday.